Yo, welcome to Power Plays Palace. Welcome. I want to say good morning. Uh, so interesting down the mic yesterday, so let's get down to it. All right, so we were looking for entry for loans around 657 to 658.20 with a stop below 654.80. Target 661.50, 665 and 668. On the short side, we were looking for entry around 656, 56, 57. Stop loss at 659.20. Target 650, 647, and 644. And that's what we were looking at yesterday. So let's look at SPY and see how it performed. All right. As we can see, came in, open, ran up 662, hit 662, then came down to 664. Came down here to double bottom, pulled back up to 660, around 660, and then it ended up the day around 654. So all in all, it was a pretty good range yesterday. If you played like I say, you see the open range breakout here, where we were able to come out of the box and reach one level, almost two, and come out of that box on the bottom side and hit one level, almost two, and then we were able to work our way back in. So it was a pretty good range yesterday. I think $9 range is a good range during the course of a day, and so just judging by what we had on the chart, it didn't reach all those levels. It came in, it ran up 662, and then it came back down to 653 area. So it didn't really touch all the areas. But that's baseball yesterday pre-market. It was like a $20 range, so it's a huge range. So so that's what we got yesterday. If you play with, safe, then you should have been able to make maybe one or two plays in there. If not, reevaluate and try it again. Try not to overdo it. All right, so let's look at the chart for today. All right, so we're looking for a gap reclaim now at 657.41. And we'll look for an entry around 657.50 to 658.10. Stop below 656 with our target 659, 661, 662. Um, on the short side, we're looking at the rejection and that area also 657 area with entry 656, 80, 657.50. With our stop above 658.80, with our target 655, 653, and 652.87. Now, these are our levels for today. It's a lot of uncertainty in the market because of a lot going on with the war in the Middle East and everything. So be mindful, be careful, be safe. There was a lot of red in the market and green in the market yesterday. So when you got things going in both directions, you want to be very careful how you play it on overdo it and be safe. This is not financial advice. It's just some ideas from a guy who trades. But I tell you, better be safe than sorry. Honestly, yesterday, I was very uncomfortable with some of this stuff in the market. So I didn't trade in the market yesterday. I kind of waited and watched. And, call me what you want, but I take any day not losing over a day of losing trying to figure it out because I was not certain after that huge move pre-market. And looking at the news that was coming out, if the market was going to either maintain or push up, but I wasn't willing to take that chance. And some days you have those days, and it's better off just not to take the chance. And so that's where we are, and that's our cherry plum for today. Now, Go out there and get you some money. Be safe, have fun. It's Power Plays Palace. If you want to join us, come to Power Plays. We charity never do anything. And if you have any questions or things about what we're doing and how we doing it and come up with the information, then definitely ask those questions. So that's where we are right now. We want to continue to grow and get better. But be careful in the market, man. It's a lot of volatility because of everything going on. Watch the news and be safe. And that's our plan for today. And what we'll do, we'll get ready for tomorrow. Have a happy Tuesday, and let's get to it.